Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. How are we all getting on during lockdown? We're going to be covering a great video here regarding these annoying grey boxes, no icons missing. We're going to do some fixes, ways around it, and we're going to show you all that on this Doc Squiffy channel. Yes guys, we are back on the Doc Squiffy channel and we are pushing hard to hopefully bring you some good old school videos, keeping them simple, nice fixes, tips, grinding back the old way, the safe way, and the stuff you guys enjoy. Let's see what we can get up to. And we are still doing streaming news as well, so do stay tuned over there. Anyone done anything good this lockdown, guys? Drop it in the comments. I've decided to grow a huge beard, pretty much. Why not? That's all I'm doing this lockdown and making you guys some videos. So let's get this Firestick up and running and working properly. Remember, do hit subscribe, guys. There is an optional join button and you'll see the rest of the Doc Squiffy channel because we're going to be bringing back daily videos, guys. We're going to grind it and we're going to grind it hard. So, this is my Firestick, guys. You may have suffered this. I am demonstrating on a Firestick Lite, but you may have had this same issue on the Firestick 4K and other Firestick generations where these grey boxes are missing. And I tell you what, they're a pain in the arse. We've got 2 or 3 different ways we're going to try and get around it today. One, I'm going to show you right now, and we will show you how to install it and set it up. And another one is just another little simple trick you might be able to use just to help you guys see what's in the boxes. So this will be one idea, guys. This is a different launcher, guys. You can run this, and as you see, you will get all your apps completely on screen for you. These apps can be removed, moved around, deleted, set up, run, and this can also run permanently. I will run you through how to set this one up later in the video, guys. It also, you can navigate it, you can change the launcher, you can change the settings, you can move all your wallpapers, you can change the background, you can change your apps so you show hidden apps, not hidden apps, you can hide certain apps if you didn't want certain apps showing for the whole family, everything like that. You can do everything within this thing that you would normally do on a Firestick, but it's just a nice clean interface with none of the adverts or anything like that. That's all removed, out your way, not needed. Yay, we like this one. We like this one. You can configure specific apps as well, so you could change the icon, you can move them, you could hide these. You can do pretty much anything to it, guys. It's very simple, very, like, say quite basic. And you know what? That's all you need sometimes. You can set up categories. So this is obviously applications. You can have more of these. So you could have applications. You could have tools. You could have TV apps. Anything like that, guys. You could have in different areas. Whichever you wanted, you could put on your device so they're all in different layouts. We're going to cover a more in-depth detail of this launcher over on Streaming News in the coming days, but this is one good way. As you see, every icon is showing, folks. Every single one. All the grayed out ones are showing. That is really good. This is actually running the Wolf launcher, and I'm going to show you how to put that on your device after we do the other option, guys. And when I show you how to put it on the device in a second, we will show you how it stays permanently so it doesn't ping back to this every time you push the home button. And I will show you how to add it and how to remove it. Yay! Remember, guys, drop those likes, drop those subscribes, and drop those comments. So, the last option, really, in your settings, this is a really simple option, but I don't think it's good enough. I just don't think it's really good enough, but it might be good for some of you. If you go to accessibility in your settings on either Firestick, go to text banner. So you can turn it on, off. So if you turn it on, you can obviously change how you do it. There's my text banner now. I'm just going to turn it off for a second. I'm just going to restore default, sorry, because I have changed a few settings on this. Okay. Best thing I would say, banner size, timing and more. I think it's better at the top. You can move it, and you can change all of this. You can change the size, everything like that. You know, it is what it is. So if you go back to your home screen now, when you're in your apps again, when you highlight over one of these apps, which does not work, there we go. Let me make sure I turn my banner on, helps, doesn't it? There we go. So it tells you what it is. Peacock TV, Fast Task Killer, Launch Manager, Wolf Launcher. These are all ones which have grayed out things. So to hold it, turn it on and off, you just hold down the play button. You hold it on. It also gives you a bit more of a description. I actually think the text banner is quite useful. Again, you can turn this on your other device, on your Firestick 4Ks, anything like that. But that's one good one. But it's a bit of a pain. But if you just want to use the normal Amazon layout, you can turn this on for the ones you don't know what they are. On a Firestick 4K, you can move all your apps to the front. You will be able to see them, but it doesn't work on the Firestick Lite. So you've got text banner, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna install and set up this Wolf launcher now as well. And we're gonna get this from my website, guys. So to do that, we need to install the downloader app on your device. So this is the downloader app. To find it, go either to the magnifying glass or to the find, click search, type in downloader. It will ping up underneath for you. There's downloader. Nice and easy, nice and open. But what you need to do is make sure your device is set up ready to install from unknown sources. So from the websites, my website. So on your device, across to settings. This is the same on any Fire device. My Fire TV. Developer options. Allow ADB debugging and install unknown apps. On the Firestick Lite, you need to turn it on for downloader. On the Firestick 4K, you just turn it on. Okay. Back to your home screen. Again, I'm going to install the Firestick Wolf Launcher later on streaming news on a Firestick 4K. So do stay tuned to both channels, guys. So now we open up our downloader. In here, we just type this in. So we need to type docsquiffy.com/download. That link is linked directly underneath. It's the top of the description and it's a pinned comment underneath for you guys, okay? So you can go and test out this page on your phone first if you want to while watching. We click go. This will load up my website. On my downloads page, we have tons of different things you can download. Have a look around. But today we're going to go and get the launchers. You will scroll past a massive subscribe button. Don't do it there. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe under the video. And we scroll all the way down, guys. Media players, live TV, VPN, security, Firestick launchers, okay? So today we've got to download Launch Manager, the first one. So you click it. Big grey download button. You click download. So then behind my head, let's get out of the way. You click on install. That will install for you now. And then you click on done. And then you click delete, guys, okay? Right, that's the first one done. You then push the back button on downloaders. We go back to my downloads page. And we're going to get Wolf Launcher. You can do ATV Launcher as well. They're very similar, guys. Very similar. And again, scroll down to the download button. And we install this launcher. We click install again. Then click on done. And click on delete. We delete these files, guys, because they are just the download files you don't need once you've done the install part, okay? Brilliant. That's all installed for us now. So we go back to our Firestick. And we're going to go into our where our apps are. So you can either go to the three dots here or hold down your home button, whichever way you want to do it. And the first one we're going to do is install the launcher today. Guys, open it up. So quickly I'm going to put my text banner on because I don't know what's here. Launcher Manager. Click this one open. Okay, this is actually brought to us by Tech Doctor UK. You guys must all know Tech Doctor UK by now, I'm sure. Do remember to check him out, guys. We appreciate him for this one. And what you can do is disable launcher stock, okay, or stock launcher. That's the original user interface of the Firestick. So disable it. You can click OK. Okay, now when you push the home button, and as I only had one on, it's launched straight up my Wolf Launcher, guys, okay? Every time you push home now, it stays on this, guys, okay? It's not like when we did it before, but if you have multiple launchers installed, it will ask you which one to pick, and you can select just once or always to use, okay? So now this is our permanent launcher because we disabled the other launcher. Right, to go back into that, you go onto this settings there, guys. Here, you can also go into your manage applications, your My Fire TV, everything you might want to control about your device as it is, which you can't do normally. So you've got network, equipment control, remotes and Bluetooth. Your normal settings are all in here for you. Or you can re-enable the stock launcher and you'll be able to go back to what you were using, guys, okay? So now we have this. This is our user interface. So when you turn on your Fire Stick, everything like that, this should come on for you now. Yay! Don't you like it? You think it's good? You can access all your apps, you see everything. Like I say, to go back into your settings, just enable Stock Launcher. You can click OK. And then when you push your home button, we're back on the normal launcher again, guys. If any of that confused you, just watch over and over again, guys. It's nice and simple, really, but I know I do go a little bit fast sometimes. If you like what you saw, do remember to hit subscribe. We'll be bringing you some new videos every day this week. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you very much.